everybody. Happy spring and welcome to the studio tour, and enjoy the whole show.
To you, I don't care how far, I won't stop trying. I wanna be right where you are.
Hello, my name is Mila from Lavender Blue. Enjoy the tour.
I wanna get where we belong.
I'm Judy from JJ Basket Co. Enjoy the tour.
We had the shortest time. You had to go, but I'm just so happy
Hi, my name's Joanna Malcolm. Welcome to Studio by the Green. I hope you enjoy the tour.
tell you how I feel. Just another lonely day to get through.
Good morning, I'm Gordon Wright. I'm a stone sculptor and I want you to enjoy the tour.